we'll create just a simple form for the same. Let's start. So for the first thing, we'll look at test areas, test area element, test area element. You just go to your test enter, then you just write this called, just write test area, just write test area, then you just say name equals to, you can just write lesson name equals to message, you can write message. Then now you can just in between there, you can just now insert your message. Now you can say in this tutorial then after that you can just go to your browser and just go to web. Okay, just go to your browser and see this one. So this is now your test area. So now this is what we have produced. Now you have your test design. Today's tutorial looking at various HTML form elements. Now you have now you can create a test area. The next part we'll be looking at is something else we call input type, or what we call input. As we discussed in our previous tutorial on HTML input types, now we'll see input type. You can just write input type. Okay, sorry for that. This is input type. Input type, just to say, you can just say is test. Then it's a name. String name. Then we can have another input type. We can have input type. You can just write this is for password. You can have input type for password. Then you'll have the name. You can just write. Okay, just go to your browser there. Then you just refresh. Just refresh now. You see now you have the input types. You can insert your name there. Let's say Philo, you can say insert your name. Then this is for the password. You can just say 123. So that's how that's the input element. Then the other element we'll be looking at is a select element. We'll be looking at the select element. Be looking at select element. Okay, in this part is where a person is able to choose from various options. Since a person is able to choose from various options, let's say you can okay, after that all right, the first part we'll be looking at is something what's called select name. You just say select name, just say select name equals to, you can just say languages. Then just say option 1. We can have option 1 your value equals to Python equals to Python. And you can have Python, then you just paste. Can have this one JavaScript, can have this one JavaScript, can have this one JavaScript, then yes, steps. Let's for Java. Can have for C++, can have for C++, and then can have for Kotlin. Okay, you just go to your browser there, then just refresh now. You are told that you select one of the languages here. Just go there, then you just select any language. You can select any language. You can select any language. You can select any language. So now that's how now you create a select element in HTML. The other part we'll be looking at is button. We'll be looking at a button element. We have various button. We may have submit button. Then this is used when, especially when you're for submitting your HTML data. For submitting your HTML data, it's just use it for submitting your HTML data. So let's have button type. You can just say gonna have submit. You can just say submit. Just go to your browser here, then you just refresh. You see now this is a button. This is actually used for submitting the HTML form data. So that's our various types of form elements that we use. Thank you guys for watching through my tutorial. Up now you understand. If you're new in this channel, you can subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.